guys, welcome back to my channel where we do fitstober the right way, which is the DaBraeWay and Bray. And I'm looking back, so I already know what time it is, the wig review time. So yeah, it's not a fitstober slash vlogtober video. Well, it is. It's gonna be a vlogtober insta haul, you know, cause it's October and I'm doing vlogtober, so I gotta cut into it and do my promo stuff. So I think this is 2 synthetic wigs. I can't remember the name of the company. Give me a second. Let me look. Okay, so this is Amazon wig reviews. I just didn't order it through Amazon this time. I have a red synthetic wig and a black curly synthetic wig. They're both curly. It is Phoenix Fly Wig. They have an Instagram, TikTok, email, and everything is going to be, the links is going to be in the description, and the ways you can get in contact with them is going to be in the description. So I think I'm gonna show y'all some pictures real quick. So I wanted to try something, you know. This is how the red one is supposed to look, and that's how it looks before, you know, you play with it and everything. And the black one looks the same way. Let me go to it. It's just like curly fro type things, like natural hair curly fro type things. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, and yeah, we're gonna see if I can get it to look like how I want it to look, like how I got it pictured in my head. Okay. Give me a second. So I have one in the bag and one in the box. The box is cute. I like black, so the box is very much cute. I think this is the black one. Let me open the black one first. And it comes with 2 makeup sponges and wig caps. Okay, so let's see. I got a hairnet on it, and y'all know I be fighting with these hairnets. Y'all, this is my first official wig review since I've been in school. Okay, so let me stop. So let's see what's going on. We got a little mold in it, and let me see. Okay, so I think this is the bang in the front. Hold up, let me get right. This is the bang in the front, and then the curls in the back. But I really think this is gonna give. All I gotta do is like separate the curls. You can't really, like, at the top, most of these wigs you can tell like where it started. You can't really tell like the little piece at the top don't be giving, but it's actually giving, and the curls are very bouncy, and it feels good to be a synthetic wig. Like, it feels really good. Let me see what the red top is. They're the same exact wigs, but I just wanted to see. I think I'm just gonna try the thank you, 2 sponges and a wig cap, and this bag right here. I don't know why they came in a bag in a box separately, like different like that. I don't know. And it's just the same thing. I'm not gonna take this one out yet. It's the same thing as the black one. So this install is gonna be like a quick little thing. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna record that too, because all I have to do is just slide that thing on, play with the curls a little bit, and we're gonna see what it's talking about. Okay. Yeah, we gonna see. I might do some TikToks too. Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok. It's at DaBraeWay. You already knew that though. Yeah, so far for them to be synthetic wigs, they look pretty good. So I'm gonna see what they're talking about, and y'all know if y'all see me in the next couple of days with a different wig on, it wasn't given, but we gonna see. We is gonna see. Yeah, I think it's gonna give though. I might have to cut it and stuff. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig. I got my little cap on. I do that just so, you know, it'd be close to my color around the front. But we about to see. And if you see me doing TikToks, disregard, okay? Just disregard, because I'm doing TikToks too at the same time, right? This little wig. I look like I'm about to say it's Rick James, bitch. I'm sorry, y'all, I didn't curse. Dang, hold on, let me make sure I got it all right.
Look like your name Shirley.
Like my name Shirley?
Mm-hmm.
No. My name Barbara.
Like you about to go find you a banging church hat and go to church.
Okay, y'all, let me stop.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you.
No. No. I don't know. I think it's just the big hair that I can't. I don't like big hair. I hate big hair. I feel like it drowned my face. My face already small. I feel like it's drowning my face. Like BFFR at this point. What is it? Yeah, maybe. I saw another girl with this wig on. It looks so good on her. Cause I watch every time I get like paid promo, I go see if I can go see somebody else doing the promo and see how it look on them. And the girl that did this wig, it looks so good on her. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's nothing I can do to make me like this. I'm gonna be back, y'all. Let me figure something out, okay? Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. It's just nothing I can do with it. Like, hold up. Let me get the light. It's just, y'all. Ooh, I can't do this. Like, I don't think there's nothing I can do with it. Like, let me see. I feel like I watched it on another girl, and it was cute on her because she had a full face. I don't have a full face. Like, I have a kind of narrow face. So I think it would be cute on her, like if my face was fatter, but it's not. So yeah, if you liked it, I mean, you can go get it, but for me it's a no. Like, it's cute, it could be cute on somebody else, but me, no, it's a no for me. Okay. That's all I can say. Like, no, I'm about to start on my next wig review because that is not it. Okay. Y'all, just, yeah, I can't. Like, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Okay. Yeah. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. Oh, you got me calling from the ceiling for you.